My face is prepped and I'm ready to get started. A Uno shirt on I made myself. I did all these designs that says Uno +2 wild card and just I also got a wild card up my sleeve. I just have this red wig. I made a Uno card headband. And I also have my nails painted red, yellow, and black, like a sparkly black, just to match the craziness. Thank you guys for watching. I have more cosplays on my channel, so I really hope you guys check those out and like them. If you like this video, you might want to check out the pictures of this cosplay, which are on Instagram and everywhere else. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Uno.